If you own a 2011 Chevy Traverse and you have to put a new battery in, your actual battery is going to be in a compartment behind the passenger seat. Some cocksucker decided not to put it underneath your hood. Those motherfuckers at Chevy engineers can suck my dick. What you're going to need, and what I used, is a impact with a T20 bit. There's a little screw here, and then you have to pop the floor panel and this little plastic covering. You're going to need an extension with a 13 mil socket, and then you're going to also need a 10 mil socket, and that will be the three things you need for this job. You got to pop this plate, and then you'll be able to remove your battery cover. And awesome. It's so stupid. It should slide out. Now you're actually going to look at your normal battery setup. It just happens to be under your floor panel, which is freaking ridiculous. What the fuck? That's so stupid. Like, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that fucking thing? Alright, so battery exhaust nozzle, fucking cool. Take the pliers and loosen my bolt if I can. I might need to get a use my strong arm. Obviously a socket set would be faster, but my Nip-X pliers work just dandy. Yeah, I better just get a socket. So I took the first nut off with the pliers. With the second one, I just went and got a 10 mil socket wrench, which should work good. I might just switch to a socket too if this one is being a cunt. Obviously, a socket's gonna be faster. Loosen, my friend. Stupid carrot plastic casing on our positive. There you go. Alright, we're free. I'm gonna leave all that hooked up, and then I've got, make sure you remember black on left, red on right. Okay, so there's a battery lock in there. You're gonna need an extension to get that out. Socket and extension. Lucky for me, I have all the tools I need in my life. Oh, you fucking... There you go. Let's see if I can wiggle this bad boy out of here. Oh, you're gonna have to pull the whole fucking thing. I hope it's not a nut on the other side of that. Nope, it's threaded. We're good. Oh, I get to go grab this thing by my fucking fingernails. Ah, cocksucker. Whoever took the handles off this should get punched in the nuts. Motherfucker. Holy shit. Way harder than I should have been. Handles make things easier. Motherfucker, you better bring your A game for that if it doesn't have handles. Holy shit. So they literally made it impossible to get to the battery any other way because of this pocket they made. Little battery holder. You literally have no choice but to do it the way I'm doing it. You can't get at it unless it's through the floor panel. So just take note. Now this one should be easier to get in because it's actually got some handles on it. Try not to fuck your wire harnesses up. hook up the overflow. Make sure that works. There you go. Get in now. Alright, I hooked up the overflow first just to make sure I have the good position. And then I'll clamp that fucker down. Alright. Grab my light. Forget that in there for sure. Okay. Everything looks hooked up. Pop the cap back on. Where's my screw? Floorboard back. Floorboard screw. Doesn't have to be too tight. Okay. And you slide this sumbitch back on. You go straight to fucking Chevy and punch whatever engineer designed this in the mouth. Done.
Very good. Thank you. Come again.
I got buggers.
So do I. Man. Go about here.
Alright. You say, you're the best brother in the whole world.
Best brother in the whole world.
Good.